Your journey with TaylorMade. Why us? We believe in and love IT. We are passionate and believe great IT will help your organisation achieve its business objectives. This is a journey we should take together. Since 1994, TaylorMade has grown from a one-man band to an employer of over 115 IT professionals. We supply everything from hardware to providing strategic advice on all IT-related matters. Our customers say,
TaylorMade has the breadth and experience we trust.
Our customers say,
TaylorMade listen, absorb and take time to understand our business needs.
from analysis to design, it's about building the right strategy. Our customers say,
TaylorMade have put us on a journey that our business understands.
IT continues to evolve with our monthly updates. Our customers say,
TaylorMade deliver tailored, fit for purpose,
Cost efficient
professional IT solutions.
and ensure maximum efficiency.
flexibility.
And ultimately, profitability.
our customers say,
It's
all about
trust.
Trust in the advice.
Trust in the support.
Trust in the people.
we are passionate about IT. We love working with businesses and we aim to be the IT provider of choice while exceeding every expectation. Our team are here to help your business progress through the effective use of IT. Your journey with TaylorMade.